Let's talk about muzzles today. When to use them, why to use them, and how to use them correctly.
The very first thing I'm going to recommend is a muzzle. Hear me out. There's a lot of muzzle shaming in this world, but would you rather be bit or just kind of cause your dog a little bit of an inconvenience because it doesn't hurt? For me, I have 4 dogs. I have a very small one, I have a medium size, and 2 large. So I got on Amazon. I purchased this big bag of muzzles. I'm going to pull one out. I'm going to talk about it. I'm going to kind of show you how it works. This is how they come, all flat. They're kind of a plastic. You can throw it in your washer if you need to kind of loosen it up. So as looking at this muzzle, if I was a dog, I would put it on this way. This small part is where their nose goes. This small part here is where the eyes go, okay? And then obviously the clip goes behind their head, behind their ears, so that they can't just easily paw it off. I'm going to do a demonstration, and I want you to understand this does not hurt your pet at all. So here's Dory, our perfect little specimen. All right, so this is the muzzle. Dory, stay. Skinny part on top. This part comes back behind her ears. Adjust this accordingly. Just keep feeding it until it works. And then you want to make sure her ear's not in it. And this is what it should look like. She should still be able to get her mouth open if she needed to lick or breathe, but it goes behind the ears. But it's good to let them be able to lick. She shouldn't be able to bite me though, so she can only lick me. Slip it on like this. Okay, but she does fight a little with her paws. Stay. Clips like that. Yeah, pull at it. So as you can see, she doesn't like it. She does not. She tries to paw, but she can't get it off because it's clipped. Good girl, Mama. Good girl. So here is another sample of a muzzle that does not fit properly. As you can see, he has a lot of gap behind there. He could open his mouth and still bite me, okay? So that's not a proper fit. We've got 2 more. I think this one here will probably fit him. So this one will be a perfect fit for Charlie. Turn here, buddy. So as you can see, it's got a lot of extra over top of it. So it's fine. He'll be okay. This one here also has extra over it. Just find the one that fits him the best, and then hopefully he'll be comfortable. Charlie is a Cavalier King Charles Spaniel, and he was a rescue. They come in multiple sizes, so make sure that you kind of think about that. This here is a mesh one. So if you're worried about it being too hot for your dog, you could absolutely use a mesh one. This one also has an adjustable nose piece, so it opens right up. So if your dog is fearful from something coming from overhead, you could just hook it around on the dog. Also has an adjustable strap. And they just keep getting smaller and smaller. Also, the distance from here to here gets smaller so that you don't have a humongous strap behind your dog. Here's another one. This was like I think a 10-piece set. This is a big set off of Amazon. I'll link it below.
There are multiple reasons why having a muzzle on hand that fits your pet is a great idea. It can help them in situations where they've been injured and you just need to make sure that you're safe while checking them out. It is not a bad idea to make sure that it fits while they're doing well. Make sure that you know how it actually goes on. In case of a pinch, you can just hurry and slip it on. There are a couple things that you can do once you have the muzzle on to distract your dog from having the muzzle and make them feel more comfortable while wearing it. You can do things that are out of the ordinary, such as picking up a front foot to have them be off balance so it's easier for you to restrain them. And also you can do a head tap.
And the head tap I was talking about is like this, or scruffing both ears.
There are different types of muzzles. This one here is a basket muzzle where they still can eat and drink while wearing it. A cage muzzle is meant for dogs that are much more aggressive and you want to make sure nothing gets inside of it. The leather muzzle is one that we often see for training. The The cloth muzzle is meant to be, you can use that for a quick restraint if there's an injury or if you need to trim some toenails. The gauze muzzle is a little bit more intricate, and you almost need to be trained on how to do that. You take a straight piece of gauze, you twist it in half, bring it around the muzzle, and then pull the loose pieces behind the head and give it a tie. That one is for emergencies only.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope I helped you out today. I hope you learned something. Hope I gave you some ideas to think about. And I'm here for you. You're here for your pet. Have a great day.